Okay. We got our fuel tanker here. His name is the Exxon Valdez. Some of you will get that reference. I think it's pretty funny. It's very relevant. So that's cool. What just happened here? What just happened? Anyway, I'm gonna pull the pin there, and then we'll just. It's apparently 100 strokes of this thing equals 20 gallons, which I think is pretty accurate. Okay, let's do this. We're gonna walk in here and drop this cedar tree. Got a pretty good sized cedar tree we gotta cut down. So I'll get in here with that guy right there. There you go, there's the sunrise. Looking pretty good. So, I've never really cut a tree down this big with the chainsaw. So we're gonna do it like I seen on YouTube. I'm gonna cut a pretty good chunk out of this stump, and then just drop it off that way. Isolation valve installed, and we got about another probably 100 feet, 80 feet to roll out. We're gonna go for it. So I got the rent a laborer up there, getting some of the parts rounded up, so that's cool. So we should be good to go. Let's do some digging. We'll get her digging. Well, okay, at this point we got 150 plus 80 installed. What's going on here? What's happening? 150 feet. 150 feet plus 80 feet installed for a grand total of 230 feet with a grand total of 350. I take that back. How much did I backfill? Yeah, 150 plus basically the same. Couple hundred feet and 30 installed and backfilled today. Now I'm digging more though, so I'm going to have more than that 230 opened up. Quite compact down there, quite dense. 3 feet deep. Yeah, that's very hard.